According to Vedic principle, the Shudras, they should not be given more money, the worker class. Now, the worker class is given more money. So what they'll do? They'll produce drunkards, that's all. In America it is evident. They do not know how to use money. So therefore you see 52% drunkards in your country. What is the percentage?
I'm not sure, so probably.
It's probably close to that.
Yeah, at least 50%.
Drunkards, debauchers,
Yes.
criminals.
Hare Nam. What is the time?
6:45.
So you can.
We can walk around a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
So, is it a waste of time then to present Krishna consciousness philosophy to someone who believes in doing your own thing? You think that it is?
No, it is. We should push Krishna consciousness as disinfecting agent. They are all infected, whole world. So by chanting, you disinfect.
Just by our presence chanting that?
Yeah.
That is enough.
Therefore, chanting is so important. Philosophy later on. First of all, Chetudarpana Marjana, cleansing the heart.
Right.
Cleansing the heart. So by hearing this chanting, their heart will be cleansed gradually. Then they will understand the real position.
Right.
Oh, Krishna.
So we have to do this chanting. Not sit down in a solitary place chanting himself. No, not like that. You have to vibrate the sound for the benefit of others.
That is the mystical process of the sound.
Yeah. So that their heart may be cleansed and they can understand. And if I sit down in a solitary place for my benefit, that it may be his benefit, but it is not very high class engagement. You must sacrifice for others. Pararthe pragya utsiji. That is the Chanakya Pandit's moral instruction. That everyone should sacrifice for the Supreme. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is God himself. He comes down to preach, to become sannyasi, and to take so much trouble all over India, everywhere, and giving instruction and sending men, go. What? Why you? He is perfect. Why he is coming? He doesn't require. No, for the benefit of others, we must follow the footsteps of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Why water is here?
I don't know, for the most part.
Vaishnava has qualification that he is unhappy by seeing others unhappy. Vaishnava cannot be unhappy. That is Prahlad Maharaj says that I have no problem. I am unhappy seeing these people who are simply engaged in false activities and they do not care for Krishna consciousness. Therefore I am unhappy. This is Vaishnava's qualification. Not that I am saved, that's all right. That is materialism. Let others go to hell. I am saved. That is materialism. The Vaishnava should think always, so many people are suffering. What I am doing for them. That is Vaishnava. Paradukha dukhi.
That is also said by scientists. They also say that people are suffering, so we are trying to make them happy.
That's all right, but if you do not know, how you will make them happy? You will create havoc.
Janma maran jara vyadhi.
Yes, you do not know how to make them happy. You should first of all learn how to make them happy. You cannot manufacture your program to make them happy. That everyone is doing. But the more they are acting, the world becoming in chaotic condition. You know what is the standard of happiness, how to make them happy, then you can work. If a medical man, he has never seen a medical college, and if he wants to treat patient, what is this?
Criminal.
Yes, quack. You must know how to make them happy. That is first business.
Jai Shri Prabhupada.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Shiva.
Jai.
Thank you.
Jai Guru.
Basic disease. He has made himself voluntarily under the clutches of Maya. And Maya business is to give out. Otherwise he is free. But he has voluntarily accepted the custody of Maya. Jaya Sanmohitam Jiva. Sanmohitam means build. Jiva, the living entity. Atmanam Trigunaatmakam. Everyone is identifying, I am American, I am Indian, I am this body, I am that body. This is identification of Maya. Atmanam Trigunaatmakam. Tat kitancha vivadate. And as soon as he becomes under the clutches of Maya, he will act according to the dictation of Maya. Tat kitancha vivadate. You see their Los Angeles Jew, why they are advertising.
The Los Angeles what, Prabhupada?
Jew.
Zoo, oh yeah?
Not a very good Jew.
No, it's not.
Big zoo is in San Diego.
No, this is Africa.
Oh yeah?
Yes. No, actually, they go. There is a national Jew. Thousands of practically Africa's main income is from the tourists.
Oh.
Yes, people go to see. You can drive your car, you'll find lions, elephants, or
Recently, one of Brahmananda's men had an accident by hitting some animal on the road, large animal.
what accident?
One of the vans, one of the devotees ran into an animal on the road, had an accident. I'm not sure what it was.
No, the national garden means there is arrangement. The animals are free, roaming. But you can go with your car.
Oh, yes.
But they cannot attack within the car.
No.
But if you come out, they will attack. Lions are there. Elephants are there.
Yeah.
Very cold.
Not very cold?
Not very cold.
No. Compared to Hawaii, it's very cold.
Huh?
Compared to Hawaii, it is very cold.
Hawaii is very pleasant.
It's 85 degrees
Oh,
every day. It's winter time.
and summer.
Summer is very hot. 105.
But there is rainfall in
Yes.
summer.
There's quite a bit now. Sometimes in the winter it rains. That one devotee brought up the point of the philosophy of do your own thing, and that's what the devotees were instructed in Hawaii to do. When they closed the temple, Goswami just said, now everyone go and do your own thing for Prabhupada.
If he does Prabhupada's work, then where is your own thing?
Yeah, right. There's quite
Do
there's
your
nothing.
own thing on behalf of Prabhupada. So if he wants what Prabhupada, he must abide by the order of Prabhupada.
Yeah. My thing is your thing. Actually, I have nothing of my own.
No, they have been misguided. That temple closing was very